Rating different slime drips.
Ice dragon fruit tea, 9/10. Had a killer drizzle, good consistency, shiny, fun to play with, looked super pretty.
Jellied cranberry, 9.5/10. Super thick and slow, looks like taffy. Great rear apples.
Sour, 7/10. Had a classic drip, very flowy, pretty average drip but still nice.
North Pole Ice Big, 8/10. Thought it would flop and take forever. Ended up looking super cool, just like real snow. Penguins had fun sliding down.